Hello, kindergarten friends. Today for math, we're going to continue talking about addition, specifically representing addition with fingers, objects, pictures, drawings, sounds, acting them out, in many different ways. We know that there are many ways you can represent a number. You can use dominoes, you can use tally marks, the numeral or digit version of the number, pictures, 10 frames, 5 frames. You can show numbers on your fingers and on dice, and with manipulatives like math cubes and things like that. Let's remember that adding is putting together. And when we're putting things together or adding, we tend to use words like plus, all together, and. For example, you might say 3 and 3 is 6. If I have 3 and 3 all together, I have 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. And here's our adding symbol. When you're subtracting, you're taking things apart. And we tend to use words like minus, fewer, less, and take away. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 is 2 fewer than 3. 3 is less than 4. And you take away 1 from 3 and you have 2. And here's our minusing symbol. We're going to read a book called Albert Adds Up. And while I'm reading, I want you to be paying special attention for vocabulary words like first, one more, both, plus, and all together. Albert Adds Up, Mouse Math by Eleanor May, illustrated by Deborah Millman. I'm back from the library, Albert's sister Wanda called. Albert scampered in. You got the new Captain Slime, he squeaked. Flash and I love Captain Slime, Albert said. Wanda smiled. I know. We read the first book a zillion times, Albert said. Wanda said, I know. Albert's paw crept toward the book. Please let me read it first, he begged. I'll let you play with one of my favorite toys. Before Wanda could answer, Albert scurried off. Here, Wanda, Albert said as he came back. I'll trade you Robo-Rat for Captain Slime. Deal? Wanda shook her head. That's not enough, he interrupted. Wait, you'll also get Mechanimal. That's 2 of my favorite toys, Albert said. So, can I have Captain Slime? 1 Robo-Rat plus 1 Mechanimal is 2 favorite toys. Wanda sighed. Albert, if you would just throw in one more toy, he said. Okay. Wait, Wanda said, but he was gone. You can't say no to this, Albert said as he ran back in. Wanda stared at him. What is it? It's a secret sucker, Albert explained proudly. It's for sucking secrets out of other mice. I made it myself. Does it work? Wanda asked. Not exactly, Albert said. Wanda said, good. Albert gulped. So, will you take all 3 for Captain Slime? 2 toys plus 1 more equals 3. Wanda said, I don't want your toys, No, toys, Albert exclaimed. No problem, I've got something else. Look, Wanda, worms. I named them Ned and Nellie. But Albert, Wanda stopped. Which one is Nellie? I'm not sure, he said, but you can have them both. Plus all 3 toys. That's 5 things all together. 3 toys plus 2 worms equals 5 things all together. Wanda said, listen, Albert, all I want... I know, Albert said. How about the giant gumball Leo gave me for my birthday? You still have that gumball? Wanda said. Well, it isn't exactly a ball anymore, Albert said. But you can chew it as much as you like before you give it back. You're joking, Wanda said. No, Albert beamed. I mean, all 6 awesome things are yours while I read Captain Slime. Wanda said, I'm going to go wash my paws. 3 toys and 2 worms are 5, plus 1 chewed up piece of gum. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Albert looked at Ned and Nellie. She still hasn't said yes, he told them. I'll get more stuff. Albert scampered in and out. He brought in his electric tail warmer. 3 toys, 2 worms, and a piece of gum is 6. Plus his electric tail warmer is 7. That's 7 things, he said. And here are 2 wheels that fell off my tricycle. He dumped them on a pile. 3 toys and 2 worms, a piece of gum, and an electric warmer is 7. Plus 2 wheels. Plus 1 scary cat mask. 10. This puzzle has 500 pieces. That makes... Albert looked at Ned and Nellie. Oh, all right, 11. I think it's missing a few pieces anyway. 3 toys, his worms, his gum, his warmer, the scary cat mask, his 2 tires. That makes 10 plus 1 is 11. Just then Wanda came in. My puzzle, she said. I've been looking for it everywhere. Oops, Albert said. I guess I only have 10 things to trade. All of his toys, warm, gum, warmer, everything, and the puzzle makes 11. Minus 1, take away the puzzle, equals 10. Wanda said, Albert, I don't want to trade you Captain Slime for any of these things. Not the cat mask? Wanda shook her head. All of those things minus the cat mask. 10 minus 1 equals 9. Not the wheels? 9 things minus the 2 wheels equals 7. Not the tail warmer? No, said Wanda. And definitely not the gum. I'll put them away, Albert said. He had his 7 things left, minus 1 piece of gum, and minus 1 tail warmer. 7 minus 1 and 1, or 7 minus 2 equals 5. What about Ned and Nellie? Asked Albert when he came back in. No, thank you. Wanda said, no Ned, no Nellie. 5 things, his 3 toys, and his 2 worms. 5 minus 2 equals 3. But that only leaves 3 things. That's right, Wanda said, and you need to take all 3 away. Even the secret circle? Albert asked. Especially the secret circle. So his 3 toys minus all 3 toys equals 0. I don't have anything left to trade, Albert said sadly. But Albert, you don't need anything, Wanda said. I tried to tell you, but you wouldn't listen. I got that book out of the library for you. Albert looked at Captain Slime. You know what, Wanda? He said. I don't want to read it first after all. You don't? Wanda asked. No, Albert said. I'd much rather read it together. What a wonderful story. For independent work today, I'm going to read you this problem, and you are going to use the strategies we practiced in class today and the information you learned from our book that we just read, and you are going to try to solve it. For this problem, you can choose which strategy you would like to use. You can use math cubes like we did in the classroom today. You can use drawing like we did in the classroom on Tuesday. It is your choice. You show me the best way you can to solve it. The only rule is that you have to show your work. Let's get started. Feel free to rewind this and rewatch me reading the question as many times as you need to get the information you need and to solve the problem. It says, there are 6 red ornaments on the Christmas tree and 4 green ornaments. How many ornaments are there all together? I'm going to read it one more time, and you can go back and rewind if you'd like to. There are 6 red ornaments on the Christmas tree and 4 green ornaments. How many ornaments are there all together? Go ahead and choose the strategy you would like to use to solve this problem. Make sure to take a picture of your work, whether you use manipulatives or drawing or any other strategy we've practiced to solve this problem. Okay, have a great afternoon, and I can't wait to see your work.